Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you guys are having had a fantastic week and hope you guys have a great weekend. We're heading into it. So today is September the 26th of 2025. We have made it to day number 153 of this My Lead Gen Secret Challenge. And I'm just back here with another video, guys. If you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are shooting a 1 year challenge where we are promoting one offer from ClickBank and we're using a service called My Lead Gen Secrets. Okay, we're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn income doing so, a steady income doing so within 1 year. Okay, so if you want to get up to speed, go back and watch these previous videos so you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing and kind of see where we're going. All right. So we made it today, number 153. Let's go ahead and hop right into this video. If you guys don't know what My Lead Gen Secret is, My Lead Gen Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay. So every day you come into this back office, you're going to see either 100 leads or 200 leads, depending on how many accounts that you have. All right. And just a little bit about myself, guys. I've been with the My Lead Gen Secret system over 3 years, probably 3.5 years now. I totally love the service. I've promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. All right. Now, one thing about this traffic, guys, it is cold traffic. Okay, so these people do have to get warmed up to whatever it is that you're doing in order for them to start, subscribing to whatever it is that you're doing or, signing up and start working, which is when you earn a commission. All right. So I'm just going to let you guys know a little bit about My Lead Gen Secret and how it works today. There's going to be two ways to make money with My Lead Gen Secrets, guys. The first way is going to be promoting the My Lead Gen Secret system to its own traffic. Okay. So literally what you can do is you can promote the My Lead Gen Secret using your own affiliate link to the traffic that you are accumulating every single day. Okay. So pretty much what you can do is you would go in here to affiliates. Okay. And you would click on the promo tools tab. You'll come down here and there's going to be all of these emails right here. And what you would do is simply send out all of these emails, guys, to the system every single day. Okay. Now, every 24 hours, you're going to be able to come in and send out one email every 24 hours, guys. That's the cool thing. Another cool thing about the My Lead Gen Secret. So pretty much what you would do if you want to promote this, the system, you would just pretty much go to one of these emails, click on import right here, excuse me, import affiliate email. Click on that. It's going to take you to the mailing system, and this is where you're going to be sending out all of your emails. Make sure you click on select all so you can know that it's going out to all of your emails there. And then as you can see, there's going to be a subject line right here that it pre-populates, and then also a body of text right here. Okay. Make sure you click on perfect timing. And then as you can see, here's the email. Okay. You just send out this email right here. Come down here and you're going to have your affiliate link right here. Okay. So all you would have to do is come down here, guys, and just click on send. Boom. Just send now. Now, I've already sent out my emails already, guys. Like I said, you can send out one email every 24 hours. Me, I like sending out my emails at night, okay? But you can send yours out in the morning or afternoon, whatever, whenever you want to send your emails out. But me, I like just sending mine out at night. For some reason, it just works better for me. So that's one way to make money with My Lead Gen Secret, guys, is just promoting the system itself. The other way is going to be using a affiliate network, such as ClickBank. You have Warrior Plus, JV Zoo. You have you also have Max Bounty. There's tons of different networks. Excuse my internet, guys. There's tons of different networks that you can use to promote the My Lead Gen Secret system. Okay. So and what we're using is ClickBank. Okay. So that's the network that we're using. You can sign up for ClickBank. It is free. You can grab one of their offers and you can go to the e-business section, e-marketing, and you can use one of those offers in that section, guys. And those offers do have pre-populated emails, okay? Emails that all you pre-written emails, okay? Email swipes that you can use, guys, that are free and they're known to convert and they work really well, guys. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that real quick. and what it would look like if you were to use one of those emails from the My Legion Secret, not My Legion Secret, from ClickBank. Okay. So this is one of the offers that is going to be similar to the one that's on ClickBank. All you have to do is grab the title, come over there, and you just copy it and then paste it into your subject line. And then here's the body of text. Okay. So you can basically grab an email, come over here, and then turn this into a clickable link. And this link will go to your affiliate page. Okay. Your affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for you. So it's our job as affiliate marketers is to send these emails out and get them to our affiliate page. That way they can subscribe and then eventually start purchasing from us, okay, and start buying. Once these people start working and start making money, then that's when we get paid, okay? So all we got to do is get them there. So this is what an email would look like. I mean, you can, it's just copy and paste. Okay. I'm not writing this myself or anything. I'm just copying and pasting it over. Okay. And your back office is going to look exactly like mine. Okay. The only difference is going to be the emails that you send out versus what I'm sending out. Obviously, we're not sending them out on the same day. Okay. So that's pretty much how you make money with My Legion Secrets. Okay. It's either going to be, like I said, promoting the system itself or using a third party service such as, ClickBank or Warrior Plus or something like that. All right. Now there's going to be, like I said, there's going to be three ways that you can send an email. Okay. You can either promote, you can either write your own email. Okay. You can use some kind of AI service for emails, or you can use ChatGPT. Or, like I said, you can use the free email swipes from the vendor. Okay. And that's what we're using right now. That's what I would recommend starting out with is the free email swipes from the vendor. All right. Now, like I was telling you before, guys, I have 8 different accounts. Okay. It takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to send out my emails every day. I don't miss a beat, guys. You have to send them out every day, okay, in order to get the traction going and be able to start seeing results, okay, in a short amount of time. So I would recommend you guys getting started today. I did leave a link below this video for you guys to get started. Okay. And what else I wanted to tell you guys, but that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you send out an email. Those are the ways that you can make money with My Legion Secret. It's super easy to do. It's pretty much cut and dry. I mean, that's just pretty much how you do it. You copy and send over emails, copy and paste emails over to the system, and then insert your affiliate link, and then you click send and you send those emails out. Okay. Now, again, you can send an email out every 24 hours and you can't have multiple accounts. Okay. So after you sign up at the link below, what you would do is you're going to stack your accounts. Okay. Now, the cool thing about My Legion Secrets is you can stack your accounts. That's what I did. When I seen this method, I signed up under someone else. And then what I did was I signed up under my own affiliate link. Okay. So once you have your own affiliate link, you just sign up under your own affiliate link. So pretty much once you sign up below, you sign out and then you grab, well, first you grab your link, copy it, sign out of your account, and then paste it into the browser and sign up under your own affiliate link. Okay. And that way, whenever you make whenever you make your payments to the My Legion secret system to keep it, you're getting paid back that commission, okay, from stacking your own accounts. That's what I do. Every single account that I have, I got all of my accounts belong to me. Okay, I don't have, multiple accounts signed up under someone else. I stacked all my accounts underneath myself. Okay, so that way when I pay my monthly bill, some of those payments come back to me, and then I could, cash out or, use that money to go do whatever with. Okay. So that's going to be, actually, that's the third way to make money is just stacking your accounts. You're going to get a commission, every couple of few months you can cash out and you can use that money to do whatever you want with it. Okay. So, we've sent out, but that's how you do it, guys. That's how you pretty much do it. If you need more in detail on how to actually send out an email, go back and watch my previous videos in the beginning. I actually go through it pretty thorough. The videos are a lot longer, maybe 20 minutes, 20 plus minutes. Those are the videos that I'm showing you guys exactly how to go grab the offer from ClickBank, come over here to the My Legion Secret and paste everything in. So if you're not kind of getting the grasp or an understanding, the concept on what I'm telling you now, go back and watch those videos and you'll get an idea. Okay. But that's pretty much how you do it, guys. We sent out some emails last night. Let's go and go over here to the ClickBank website. Okay. Today is the 26th of September. As you can see, I do like doing the last 30 days. And if you come down here, guys, these are the results from the past 30 days. As you can see, everything is pretty consistent. This has been the algorithm, either every day, every other day, or every 2 days that we get a sale. Okay. Now, right here, for some reason, we went 3 days without a sale, and then we ended up getting a sale the next day. And then today, we did not get a sale. Okay. But we did get one yesterday. So for some reason, we didn't get one today. Well, actually, we got a free trial sale. We got a free trial sign up. Okay. Which will be billed in 3 days. So we'll earn that commission. I believe what's today? Thursday. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we'll be getting that commission coming in. Okay. So that's how that works. All right. So I just wanted to show you guys what that looks like. Um, you know, the sales have been pretty consistent here from what I've been looking at. But the longer that you stick with this, the longer that you send your emails out, the more income that you're going to make. Okay. I cannot guarantee you're going to make anything because I don't know if you're going to go out and get an account. I don't know if you're going to go out and get multiple accounts. The sweet spot is going to be around 5 accounts. Okay. But if you're not able to do that, I would recommend at least 2 or 3. Okay. If you get one account, you're only going to have 100 leads, and it's going to take you forever it's going to take you, maybe a year or two to start seeing some real good results. Okay. So I just wanted to put that out there. You have to have these multiple accounts in order to see results pretty quickly. Okay. And with multiple accounts, you can see sales as soon as, a few days, your first week. You can start seeing sales, it may take your first month, depending on how many accounts that you have. But if you have multiple accounts, you're going to be able to see sales within your first week of starting this method. Okay. So once you get the 2 or 3 accounts and you start making the money, you can start scaling up and start purchasing more accounts as you make money. Okay. And that's what I would recommend. I wouldn't just start out with 10 accounts or grabbing 8 accounts, like I have. I wouldn't recommend doing that because you're not going to make the money fast enough. Okay. And if most people that are not able to earn income quickly, they're going to fall off the system and they're going to say, oh, this doesn't work. I'm going to do something else. Okay. And they'll go on to the next shiny object. Okay. So, you don't want to do that, guys. This is something that like I said before, I'm 3 years plus in this thing, guys. So I can tell you, take my word for advice that this stuff takes time. Okay. This is going to be something that, if you guys put your mind to and you come in every day and you stay dedicated, you will earn income with this system. Okay. Just like I did. Not me. It took me a little bit longer than most people. Some people, these accounts are not all created equal. Okay. So some counts work better than others. Okay. Some people probably been doing this a lot longer than I have and have better results. Okay. So that's another thing that you got to take into consideration is that, all these accounts are not created equal. Your accounts may work way faster than my accounts do. And I've been doing this for 3 years. So everything is not created the same. Okay. So, but keep in mind that they're all the same as far as numbers. Okay. It's all a numbers game. So you get a certain amount of people looking at something or clicking on an object or clicking on a link. Okay. You're going to see results. You're going to earn commissions. Okay. So that's pretty much what it is. So I want you guys to think about that. Okay. Whenever you're signing up, just think about it as something that's long term, that's going to pay you long term. Okay. The offer that we are promoting has a rebill every month of $20. Okay. So if you get hundreds and lots of people signing up, you're going to be able to stack those $20 payments on top of each other. And eventually you're going to start seeing 40, 60, $80 days, $100 days. Okay. Every single day. Okay. And that's what we want. We want to see those higher commissions and we want to be consistent with it. All right. But right now we're only in month number 5. So I'm not expecting just to be making all this money right now because we haven't put in the work yet. Okay. So it's going to take just a little bit longer for these sales to start growing and for us to see bigger commissions. All right. The cool thing about ClickBank, they do pay every single week. Okay. So every Friday, you will receive a check. I did receive my check this Friday for the work that I've done throughout the week. Okay. And that's direct deposit into my bank. So, like I said, as you can see, these are the sales. And these are the sales that I'm getting paid off of. There's nothing, this is not some get rich quick scheme or anything like that. These are real sales. These are real people buying. Okay. So, I sent out my emails today for you guys, and I'm going to meet you. I'm going to end this video right now. I'm going to come back here tomorrow and we'll go over the results for Saturday. So I will see you guys tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.